Today we're creating this beautiful Japanese cherry blossom theme. Hi everyone, it's Maggie from Around the Year and welcome to another bullet journal setup. My theme for this month is going to be a Japanese inspired cherry blossom theme. I chose to have a little fan in the background and a branch of cherry blossoms just arranged on top of that. So I'm just laying down the initial sketch in pencil and then going over it with a grey fine liner with an 0.4mm tip. And I'm beginning to color in the cherry blossoms. An easy way to draw cherry blossoms themselves is to just simply draw a 5-petal flower, making the petals slightly pointed at the top or slightly narrower, and just wiggling your pen so you get that perfectly imperfect natural look. With some pink colored pencil, going over every second fold to give my fan a more three-dimensional look. And I also added some tiny light green leaves to the cherry blossom branch. But of course we also lettered February 2023 over top, and that's our cover page done. I'm making this into a Dutch door again because I just love Dutch doors. I'm now cutting away the excess to reveal parts of the page below. On the page below, peeking through, I'm going to set up my month at a glance and my goals list. And then below the Dutch door, I will have my habit trackers. I'll use my grey brush pen to letter the word habits over top. And I'll also add another cherry blossom as well. Moving on to a weekly setup idea. This month I decided to try something different, so I went ahead and made a little box for each day, as well as a larger box for notes and 2 boxes for decorations. So I decided where I wanted everything to go, and then I started to letter the days over top. And then I added some more cherry decorations as well. These cherry blossoms are also a great theme for any month in spring, so you don't necessarily have to use them in February. Some other popular designs for February include hearts, for Valentine's Day obviously, but I think this design just came out so cute and I really love it. And here is what my February setup looks like. I hope you guys got some inspiration from this for your own setups. If you did, please make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next setup, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.